Hello everyone, welcome to Ikra Technology. In this video, we will learn how to create interactive dashboards using tools like Format Pane, filters, and slicers. This makes your dashboard more dynamic, allowing user to explore data easily. First, we have the Format Pane. Format Pane in Power BI is where you can make your charts, graphs, and visuals look nice and easy to understand. It's like customizing the look of your projects to make them clear and attractive. So now let's see Format Pane in Power BI. Here we have a visual sales amount by product name. This is the Format Pane. We have two formatting options here, visual and general. General are common for all the visuals. If you see, I'm on pie chart, so general formatting are same for bar chart and pie chart, but visual settings are different for every visual. We have legend slices, detail labels for pie chart, and for bar chart we have y-axis, x-axis. So now let's start formatting the bar chart. Here we have y-axis. We can increase the size of these values. From here we can change the font color. Here we have this title option. We can turn off this. So now you can see the title. Here we have this x-axis. We can specify the range in x-axis. Here we have these values. We can turn it off. And title. If we turn off, we can't see the title here. Here we have some other options. We can also change the color of bars. We can either change color of all the bar charts, or we can individually change the color of every bar chart. Let's suppose we have green color for laptop. For monitor, we can change the color. Like this. We can also turn off the border. We can see the visual border around this bar. Here we have a data label option. If we turn on this, we can see the data labels here. We can specify their position inside end, outside the end. Title. We have the values option here. So we can specify the display units also. We choose none. We can see the complete value of sales amount. We choose thousands. We can also specify the decimal places. We choose 2. We can see 2 decimal places here. Here we have some other formatting that you can explore it by yourself. Now let's see the pie chart. Here we have the legend option. We can specify the position of legend. If we select top right, we can select top left, stacked. So you can specify the position according to your need. We can change the text also, text size of the legend. We can change the title of this legend. Here we have the category. You can change it as categories. You can increase and decrease the font size also from here, like this. And if you want to uh, see them that they were initially, we can click on reset to default. Slices, we can change the color of slices. Here we have detail labels option. These are the detail labels. We can specify their position. We can choose the label content as percent of total. It is only showing the percentage. Data value. Now we have only values. We can choose data value and percentage both. Now we have data values and percentage. Here we have the values option. We can again select the display units, thousands or none. So we can see the complete value here. We can specify the decimal places. Now we have some general settings here in which we get the title. We can change the title of these visuals from here. We can give it a title, sales by category. We can also increase the size. We can give a subtitle, a divider. In effects, we can change the background color. We can add a visual border, a shadow. You can see the shadow. Here we have some other options. So this was the format pane. You can explore it by yourself for every visual. Now we have filters to make our dashboard interactive. A filter allows you to control which data is shown in your visual. For example, you can filter data by date, product, or region. There are different types of filters you can use in Power BI. Basic filtering, advanced filtering, and top-end filtering. So let's see. Here we have this filters pane. We'll choose a visual. And here we have product name and sales amount, two fields. If we expand product name, here we are in the filter type basic filtering. So we can select all the items or we can select according to our need. If you want to show the sales for laptop, smartphone and tablet, we can select them from here. So this was the basic filtering. And if we want to show all, so we can clear this filter. Now we can see all the items. Now we have the advanced filtering. We can practice advanced filtering in sales amount. Here we are in the advanced filtering. We can see the sales amount is less than and specify a value. If sales amount is less than 10,000, so we will apply the filter here, and we can see smartphone and tablets that have sales amount less than 10,000. We can clear the filter. We can specify is greater than 10,000 and click on apply filter. So we have these three items having sales amount greater than 10,000. Can clear the filter again. So this was the advanced filtering. Now we have top n filtering. We can specify the top n numbers, like if we want to see top 3 sales item, like the items that have top 3 sales. So we can choose top 3 and we want sales amount. So we will get top 3 products according to the sales amount. We'll click on apply filter. Here we have top 3 items that have more sales. And again clear the filter. So these were the filter types. Now we have slicer. A slicer is a visual filter that appears on your report canvas. It allows user to click and select data interactively. We can create a single slicer on a page and it will filter all the visualization on that page. So let's see slicer. Here, collapse this filter and we have this slicer visual here. Click on it and we can drag a field. Let's suppose product name. Here we have all the products. If we select laptop, you can see laptop in both the visuals. Here it is showing category electronics because laptops are in the electronics category. We select smartphone. You can see smartphone means if we make a slicer in a page, so it will filter all the visual. Here we have very less product. We can make a slicer on countries of the world. If you have a clustered bar chart, and we will drag countries and their population. You can see all the countries, but if we want to see the population for, let's suppose, Canada, so how can I get it? We can simply get it from slicer. So choose this slicer, cross this field and drag a new field as country here. Now we can see all the countries and we will simply go in C and here we have the Canada. Now we have population of Canada. So this is the use of slicer. We can change the slicer type in format pane. Just select the slicer. Go in format pane. Here we have the slicer setting. You can use tile. We can get all the countries in tile format. Here we have the drop down. We can see all the countries in the drop down. Always turn on this multi selection option so we can multi select the countries. If we choose Angola and we will press and hold Control key and select this country also. Here we have 2 countries. So this was the slicer. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching.